pacemakers have been implanted for over 60 years, and they've always had the same form. If we could ever eliminate that pocket, and if we could eliminate those leads, we'd be able to eliminate a lot of the complications that come with pacemakers. And that's where the concept of Micra came about.
The Micra device is less than 3 centimeters in size, and it's so small, many people actually even forget that they have a device in place.
Any external representation of having a pacemaker is absolutely gone, and then it's just about feeling better.
As I became more and more familiar with it and got the positive feedback in terms of clinical response, how patients are feeling, I really just started to expand more and more to the point where I do Micra first. That's my choice.
There's over 150,000 patients that have been implanted. Over 17,000 patients have been studied.
Data set after data set after data set, that's all saying the same thing. This technology is working well, it's safe, and it's effective.
We've taken all that knowledge and we've injected it into our latest version of Micra, which is the AV2 and the VR2 devices.
We were able to increase the battery longevity while still remaining the world's smallest pacemaker. And this resulted in a median longevity for Micra VR2 of 16.7 years and for Micra AV2, 15.6 years.
So with the improvements in longevity, physicians would be more likely to use it in some of their younger patients, maybe some of their more active patients.
For the majority of patients, the first Micra will be the only Micra they'll ever need.
One of the challenges with Micra AV is just getting the programming right.
There are many different parameters within the device that you can program to optimize the way that you can synchronize the atrium and the ventricle.
And what we have done with Micra AV2 is to improve the automaticity of how the algorithm works.
With the feedback and the data that we've learned from Micra AV, we've been able to make atrial sensing setups smarter.
The Micra AV2 algorithm learns the accelerometer signals and adjusts the detection algorithm for each individual patient.
This new algorithm is smarter, easier to use, and will reduce the overall burden on the clinics.
Patient satisfaction is going to get better, and it's going to give my office staff time to do other things.
We've taken this opportunity to improve the delivery system, but we did not change the procedure at all.
Making a more rounded catheter tip with a larger surface area is a very intuitive change that's going to just fit seamlessly with our current implant procedure.
It just has lower stress at the implant site when you're delivering the device.
It's going to make it easier and make me feel more comfortable doing the maneuvers that I want to do.
We're going to continue to change the world of pacing with Micra, and the new Micra portfolio gets us one step further along that journey.
We are unrelenting in our drive to bring Micra to standard of care, and the new portfolio is the next step to get there.